Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plugs on a Mini Cooper. This would be for R55 or R56. This is the N18 turbocharged mini engine. This repair is going to be good for most mini engines. You can see right here for the W10 and 11, the torque spec is going to be 27 newton meters. Now for the N12, N14, N16, and N18, this is an N18, we're going to have 23 plus or minus 3 newton meters for our torque spec. These are the basic tools that you're going to need. I have the spark plugs here. The part number is 12-2293697, and I am using BMW genuine parts. You will need a specific tool though to remove the spark plugs. You can see right here it's a multi-point. This tool right here is an AST tool, and the number is SP1412. SP1412 for this particular plug socket. As you can see, the spark plug has these star pattern, so you do need a special plug socket. You might be able to pick it up at a parts store. Seems to be more of a common design now anyways. Alright, you're going to need an extension. I have a torque wrench, a ratchet, electric ratchet. You can use a conventional ratchet if you don't have an electric ratchet. Normally this has a cover right here, so you would just take the cap off, and the cover is just held on by these tabs. This is my friend's car. He no longer has the cover, but it's very simple. It just lifts off and pushes down on these tabs right here. Alright, I'm just going to break them all free. Then switch over. Take a look at them. You can lay them out so you know what cylinders each one is in. Yeah, they do look a little dirty. This is the difference between the old spark plugs and the new. Alright, so then just put it into your socket. Most of these it should stay in and not fall out. And then just start them all by hand. Pretty quick, simple repair. Definitely something that's an easy do-it-yourself. Okay, just speed things up. Gently snug these down. Alright, so the torque spec was 23 plus or minus 3. Typically I do these at 25 newton meters. And it even says it on the box, 23 plus or minus 3 newton meters. I mean, so we could do 6 if we wanted to, but 25 is a good number. Set my torque wrench for 25 newton meters. And last one. And we can just put the coils back in. Okay, I like to put the coils back in the same place as they came from. There are little locator tabs here, so don't push it in first. Put your plug on, push it in, the connector starts going down, and then lock it into place. So just place it, and see how that connector pulls itself in. And then go ahead and seat them all correctly after that. Yep, and then if you have the cover, you have to put the cover on. You might need to take this breather hose off here. It's just a tab, locking tab, and squeeze tab to move that out of your way for that cover. But very simple, quick and easy, do it yourself. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.